My favorite part of our Pregnancy Profile 2.0 obstetric simulator is that it includes an amniotic sac and not one, but two fetal development models. One that represents a fetus at 30 weeks gestation, and one that represents a fetus at 38 weeks gestation. Users experience a weight gain of 25 to 30 pounds, which is about average for the third trimester, as well as elevated body temperature, increased bladder pressure, and fetal movement. They can also practice listening to fetal heart rates, and they get hands-on practice performing Leopold's maneuvers. This simulator is ideal for all genders in a variety of programs to better understand what it's like to be in the third trimester of pregnancy. Contact us to learn more about our Pregnancy Profile 2.0 obstetric simulator.